Do you want to connect your PC to internet without Wi-Fi or Ethernet? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. A PC without an internet connection is of no use nowadays. Everything is on the internet, from your data to the tools or software we use. Wi-Fi is the most common way to connect your PC to the internet. If Wi-Fi doesn't work, use the Ethernet connection if the PC has a port. There are actually very limited options for connecting a PC to the internet without these two. In this video, we will show you how to connect a PC to the internet without Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Method 1. Connect via USB tethering from phone. When you do not have options to connect your PC to the internet with Wi-Fi or Ethernet, you can use your phone. To use this method, you need an Android phone or an iPhone. You must have a USB cable, typically the cable you use to charge your phones every day. Your phone must be connected to the internet through mobile data or Wi-Fi. To connect your PC to the internet via USB tethering on an Android phone, connect your phone to your PC with the USB cable. When you connect your phone to your PC, you will see a notification on your phone. Slide down to open the notification area on your phone and tap on the notification that appears regarding the USB connection to your PC. Then select USB tethering from the options. It will automatically connect your PC to the internet. Or you can go to Settings, then select Portable Hotspot. Then USB tethering. To connect your PC to the internet via USB tethering on an iPhone, connect your iPhone to the PC using the Lightning or USB-C cable you use to charge it. If you are connecting it to the PC for the first time, you will see a notification that says Trust this computer. Tap on Trust and verify your identity by entering your passcode or password when prompted. Then, open the Settings app, select Cellular and go to Personal Hotspot. Enable Allow Others to join. Your PC will now connect to the internet using the network on your iPhone. Method 2. Connect via Bluetooth tethering. If the USB tethering is not working, you can use Bluetooth to connect your PC to the internet by tethering it from the phone. It is a must for your PC to have Bluetooth. If not, you can skip this method. The downside of connecting your PC to the internet via Bluetooth tethering is that you have to compromise on network speeds, as Bluetooth is too slow. To connect your PC to the internet via Bluetooth tethering on Android, pair your phone with your PC using Bluetooth. After pairing them successfully, open the Settings app. Then go to Settings, then Portable Hotspot or similar settings options depending on your phone's options. Toggle the button beside Bluetooth tethering to start sharing the internet from your phone to the paired PC. To connect your PC to the internet using Bluetooth on your iPhone, pair your iPhone and PC via Bluetooth. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, go to Personal Hotspot and turn on Allow Others to join. Now open the Settings app on your Windows PC, go to Bluetooth and Devices. Then select the iPhone you have connected and click Join beside Personal Area Network under it. If you are prompted to accept any options on your iPhone, accept them as needed to connect your PC to the internet. If you have another PC connected to the internet, you can use Bluetooth tethering to connect it to the internet without Wi-Fi or Ethernet in a similar way. Pair both PCs via Bluetooth and join the Personal Area Network from PC without internet. Method 3. Connect using a USB dongle. If USB and Bluetooth tethering do not work, your other option is to get a USB dongle that supports your SIM card installation. It will definitely help you connect your PC to the internet and get full-fledged speeds from your 4G or 5G SIM cards. You can get it at any electronic store or online store. Get something that supports many network bands in 4G or 5G speeds. You can find this information in the product description you choose to buy. After getting the dongle, insert your SIM card and connect it to your PC via a USB port. You won't need to do anything, as the drivers and other necessary features are installed automatically by the USB dongle. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.